everyone. I was exceptionally excited about this particular project because I have been wanting to put a greenhouse indoors together forever. Of course, in taking a look at the project, I received the box. I actually ordered this one from Amazon, and there were instructions included. Super easy, although the instructions said you may need a couple of supplies. I actually placed everything together hand on hand, and honestly didn't even follow the instructions. It was that easy. With two levels and placing the middle bar in, I simply placed the stability bar in the center and added two on the inside pegs for height. The package also included a little lever that was covered for the bed, in which it was like a grid. So I basically built this hand on hand. Now, if you're one of those people that need instructions, you'll enjoy this weekend project because it's very simple, very easy. You're basically going to do the same thing moving upward. And I was super excited about this because the greenhouse is about 4 feet tall. So it was definitely something that I wanted to include indoors. So in the comments, let me know if you're one of those people who read the instructions, or if you're sort of like that do-it-yourself person and you have like those little tools and gadgets left over after the project. Y'all know what I mean. The project is done and you still have bolts and screws left over. So this was amazing. I wanted to put this together because it's something that I wanted to actually do indoors, and I already purchased seeding, including collard greens and tomatoes. So I wanted to put those in right away. But basically in building the greenhouse, it's the same thing going up. You're going to put that stability bar in the center. You're going to put two bars on the end. You put the plastic long bar, which you see there, on top. It's fitted. Everything fits in perfectly. And you just continue till you get to the top. Now, this particular greenhouse had a nice plastic cover, and I did purchase lights for my seating, so I'm super excited about that. Now, the great thing about the lights that I purchased is the fact that I can actually clamp one of the lights onto the greenhouse, so I can basically place it on any level and basically enjoy the benefit of the seatings getting sufficient light. Because I'm not going to place this one by the window. This is going to be a project that I'm going to keep near the kitchen, and you guys know, with everything going on, it's a great idea to start experimenting with basically growing your own food. So that's what this project was about for me. I've been excited over the last couple of years in learning more about growing my own food, starting with smaller projects. And one thing that I've learned over time is you definitely have to punch holes at the bottom of the pots so that you won't have any problems with moisture and, of course, the rotting root.